Mach4Metal is specialized in buying and selling used metalworking machines for the industry. We offer a wide variety of machines and equipment, such as CNC machining centers, turning, boring, bed milling and sheet metalworking machines, etc. Mach4Metal was founded in 1992 as a trading company in used equipment. Over the years we have built a strong global presence with regards to used machines and related equipment needed in the industry. At the moment we have a turnover of more than 250 machines a year against 8,000 satisfied customers. This is corroborated by the many positive reviews we receive, via Google and other, of which we are very proud. We deliver the best brand CNC machines that can be demonstrated by our own qualified staff. If you are looking for used machines, we have a daily changing stock which contains over 500 machines of excellent quality. We are also interested in buying your surplus machines. We offer a realistic price, transfer you the money ahead of time, and will arrange pickup irrespective of where you are located. With our expert knowledge and year-long experience we can provide you with knowledgeable advice when buying used machines. We can provide the total solution, including dismantling, loading, packing, transport, and door-to-door delivery. We can arrange any necessary paperwork, such as custom papers. Our staff is dedicated and focused on the best results so that you will always be satisfied with your purchase. We are based in Europe, in the Netherlands, directly on the border with Germany within proximity of several international airports and railway stations. We look forward to welcoming you as one of our customers.